Hey, alright. Part 3 now for our tutorial. Creating an intro. We've already created our animation in Gimp. We've assembled our animation in Movie Maker. It's 5 seconds long so far. And now we are going to be adding the sound. Now this is probably one of the more challenging parts to do. Just because you need to have the seconds exactly right and everything. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. We're going to be using Audacity for this. Pretty cool. Pretty easy program. Um, it'll let you record sound here. Now you're not going to be able to hear this. So it's um, it's kind of hard here. I'm going to be just adding it into the video when I'm done editing it. And I'm going to add it and let you hear what it sounds like and everything. So right now we are just going to be using sound effects, and if you guys remember from our animation, we had each frame set for 0.5 seconds, so that's pretty easy. So we need a sound that sound kind of sudden, like a thump or whatever. You can use kind of whatever. I have some sound effects. You can go on the internet and do this. My internet connection is down currently, so we will not be able to go on the internet to search for some. So let's just kind of see what we got here for our sound effects. So we have a bounce, a fart, a swish, and some wind. Which one will we use? I'm going to play each one here. This is the bouncing ball. And that's a ping pong ball, so we're not going to use that at all. The fart, we're probably not going to be using that because it's a wet fart. Anyways, and we have our swish. I'm going to play the swish right now. I like the swish, so I'm going to use the wind here. We're going to play the wind. So the wind is okay. So we're using our swish right away. So pretty much add it into here. So import audio, and we're gonna actually use our swish right away. Go to here, go to oops, not pictures, music, sound effects. Now I do have soundboard. Oops, that's not it. Sound effects and a swoosh. So we're just gonna open this here. So this is what we have. We just want to go a little bit faster. We're just gonna go effect and change tempo. Tempo, we're just gonna move it up like this. It'll be faster. There we go. And now we want it to play every 5 seconds. So what we're gonna do for this, I'm just gonna start it at 0.5. There we go. We're just gonna delete that part right there, and delete the rest right here. Delete. Okay, now what we have our little squish thingy. I'm just going to set it at 0.5. There we go. And now we're just going to copy this and paste it again. And move it to 1 second. And paste this again. Move to 1.5. That was a 5-second animation, so we don't have a whole lot of space here. Um, bad. I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to click generate silence for 30 seconds. Why not? This will give us unlimited amount of time right here. Whoa, a lot. I'm just going to do that here. Okay. And it goes for 30 seconds anyways. I'm just going to go generate silence for 2 seconds. And go right over to 5. So there we go. Alright, now we're just going to continue copying and pasting these all the way to the point that we're good. So we put that at 2. So put that at 2.5. Now think back on how many letters we had. We had 5 letters. J, F, I, S, H. And then the TUTS at 3-second marker. We had that playing for 2 seconds. And pretty much, yeah. Now we kind of want to distort this next sounding here. And we're going to put this at 3 seconds, which is where we had our thing before. And we're just going to make it, let's do some multiple effects here to make this more, oops, here we go. We're going to change the pitch down like that. So we have multiple effects that we can do here. An echo, invert, normalize, all of these here. You can't really see it right now, but I am going down here to my other ones. We have a vocoder, repeat, phaser. Let me try to normalize here. And then effects. See, I want to do one more here. I want to just do a simple echo. We're just going to generate silence here. So now we just want to add a little bit of depth to this here. So we are just going to be creating a new channel. So let's do edit. Then you can do duplicate. And then in the bottom one here, just click this and just click delete. And now go over to your sound here that we have. Start at 3 seconds. And just kind of scroll over there. And we're going to be using some noise. So we're going to go generate noise. We're going to use white noise at amplitude about 0.3. Pretty good. So we're just going to copy this whole thing. And we're actually not going to copy it, we're just going to make it longer. So instead of changing the tempo, I'm just going to change the speed to a lot slower. And then I'm going to just do a fade out. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Then go File, export and export as an MP3.